Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can apply filters in account module. So to apply the filter in accounts module, click on the filters icon where we have options for filters, operators and values. In filters, select the field type or the field name on which filter need to be applied. Let's suppose for V, I just apply the filter on number of employees is not equal to has value or no value. So let's is equal to, and here I can option that for what filter I want to apply. Let's take it for 51 to 200 and click on apply. So this way a normal filter can be applied. Now it will only show the accounts which have employee. Now if you want to add more conditions than that in the existing filter, click on the plus icon, go here. Let's suppose we want to filter it on the base of a state, and here we need to put the country first. Country is equals to India, then state Delhi, and apply. Now what it will only show you the accounts for employee size between 51 to 200 and the state is Delhi. So this way multiple conditions can be added under one filter, and to reset the filter, click on a reset button and apply. It will reset the accounts. Thank you.